We'll guide you through how to add music in Davinci Resolve 20. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Davinci Resolve 20, and this is the project I want to go and add music to, so make sure you've got your project open as well. Music is a great addition. It can go and set a vibe, and it can go and make the video and content more engaging. You may want to go and add it behind you speaking or someone else speaking, or you may just want to add music. For example, here, I've just got a shot of a sort of moving coastline here, and I think music will be a great addition. Now, there are different genres you can get, of course, so we're going to guide you through going and finding music and then getting it into Davinci, and then how you can go and edit it as well. So make sure it's full guide and go and skip anything, as we're giving you useful tips throughout this whole video. So any further ado, let's get started. So what we need to do is go and find some music to go and add. So open a web browser of your choice. I'm going to use Chrome here. Now, what you need to do is you want to go and type in Pixabay, and you want to come to pixabay.com. Now at the top here, you can go and select music, and you can then go and search the music. So I can go and search for chill, for example, as I think this will be a good addition into the project I've currently got. You can go and click the play button to go and hear how it sounds. And if you like it, you can press a download to the right. So this here is royalty free as well, meaning we can go and monetize it. Now there are other sites out there as well. For example, there's a site called No Copyright Sounds. And here this is great music for creators. You'll need to go and attribute it, and it'll tell you that depending upon the media you go and use, you can go and see how you need to attribute it. And you can go and download if you like the sound of it and browse through the different options. If you're using this for YouTube, you can come to youtube.com. You can press your profile icon in the top right and press YouTube Studio. And in the studio, you can actually go and access the audio library. Come to the left and scroll down, and you've got these different tracks here as well. This is for YouTube, of course. After you've gone and downloaded the music you want to do it with, come over to the left into the top, and you can go and press Media Pool. Then you can right click and you can go and press Import Media. Now what you can do is you can go and locate it. So it's in download. So I'll select the song here like so and press Open. And there it is. Then you can click, hold, you can go and drag it into the timeline. You can decide where you want to have it, release it. You can still change where you want to have it later as well. You can then select it in your timeline and you can click, hold, and drag it. You can go and change the start and end point by clicking and holding when your cursor changes to those arrows there, and you can then drag it like so and position it where you want it to be. And then if you find that it's too loud, maybe it drowns out the speaking, place your cursor in the middle until it changes the arrows in the soundtrack, and you can click, hold, and drag and see the volume. So we can go and make it -15, for example, and play it back. And if that's better, then great. What I'm going to do is just trim this so it ends at the same time, like so. And what you can also do is you can go and add a fade in as well if you want to. So to do that, you can tap in these markers at the top and end, and you can drag it in like so, and that's going to go and fade it. As you can see, that sort of fades it there. So there we go. Edit it to your liking. You've now successfully added music.